What if I told you banks in India sometimes become owners of factories, buildings, even land because borrowers fail to repay loans? And now, RBI has released a new draft directions to control these hidden assets. Because according to RBI, banks are supposed to run banking business, not real estate business. When borrowers stop repaying loans, banks sometimes take possession of their properties to recover money. These properties are now called as SNFA, Specified Non-Financial Assets. Imagine this. A bank gives a company a loan of 10 crore rupees. The company fails. The loan becomes an NPA. Now instead of cash repayment, the bank takes ownership of the borrower's factory. That factory is now an SNFA. But RBI is worried about one thing. What if banks start keeping these properties for years, showing fake values, hiding stressed assets, and manipulating balance sheets? So RBI's message is very clear. If banks acquire such assets, they must value them carefully, report them transparently, and sell them quickly. According to the draft directions, banks can acquire SNF as only when the loan becomes non-performing and all other recovery methods fail. Meaning, taking property should be the last option, not the first. Now comes the most important part: valuation. RBI says banks cannot overvalue these assets. Suppose loan outstanding is 10 crore, but the property's distress sale value is only 7 crore. Then the bank must record only 7 crore, not 10. This is called conservative valuation. And RBI goes even further. Banks must revalue these assets every 2 years. But here's the interesting part. If value increases, banks cannot book profits. But if value falls, loss must be recognized immediately. That's classic RBI prudential thinking. RBI has also added a strict anti-fraud rule. Banks cannot sell these assets back to the borrower or related parties. Why? To stop evergreening and fake recovery transactions. And banks cannot hold these assets forever. RBI says, sell them as quickly as possible through public auction. And if banks still cannot sell them within 7 years, the asset will be treated as the bank's own used asset. So in simple words, RBI is telling banks, if you take borrower property instead of loan repayment, don't hide it. Don't overvalue it. Don't sit on it forever. And definitely don't manipulate balance sheets. Because banks should focus on banking, not real estate.